Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. January 10, market drops 72.41 points or down 1.09% to close at 6,546.11. Value turnover is at 5.5 billion pesos. So our index fell along with our Asian neighbors, no, led by AC after a announcement that one of their strategic investor, Mitsubishi, sold its stake. This is not the first time Mitsubishi trimmed their position in Ayala Corp. No? Started a few years ago at 900, 960, nagbabawas na yan. No? They've been an investor of Ayala for the last several years tagal na, no? 1980s, 1990s pa yata to no? Anyway, it's just part of their portfolio rebalancing. And this is also the reason why ang hirap umakyat ni AC, no? Of course, ang sarap i-trade ni AC, no? Pag mga 590, 600, bili ka doon. 12 pesos gain trade. No, on the bigger picture, it's just range trading, but diba? You should treat this like kailangan na bagger stock no? Unless of course these institutional investors started buying again Ayala Corp. But for the meantime, yan, no? The block were reflected, no, at 634 pesos. So 8,644,000 shares were crossed. Kaya lumobo yung volume natin, no? Anyway, on other news, the MSCI, sabi naman ni Sid Consunhi, he is maintaining a positive 2024 outlook after a fairly good 2023. Meralco is mentioned about the rates, which is up by 0.0846 cents per kilowatt hour in January. And Manila Water says that the 2.5 billion hinulugang taktak sewage treatment plant in Antipolo is expected to be operational by December. On other news, Manila MRC announced that it's subscribing to 75 million pesos worth of shares dun sa isang subsidiary. It's part of their portfolio realignment. Talaga nilipat nila yung holdings, no? So they are investing in Bitstar Prime Holdings. This is part of becoming a significant player in the fast-growing information and communication technology industry in the country. No? So talagang they're saving. They're doing this to save its sister company PTT, no, which has been suspended for the last 20 years. By the way, BDO is issuing second peso dominated fixed rate ASEAN sustainable bonds with a aggregate size of 5 billion. So the proceeds will be used to diversify its funding sources and finance eligible assets. No? So ganun ka, no? So yun yung problem sa market right now, no? At 6,600, these big institutional investors are already selling sa market, no? So it marked a top sa index natin, no? And let's hope 2024 will be a good year, no? Sa buong global economy, there will be some, I think, 6 major elections, no? And of course, geopolitical tensions is also out there, no? Right now with some tensions in Taiwan, no? So repeat, the rinse, wash, ganun yung mga cycle right now, no? Paulit-ulit na lang after COVID, geopolitical tensions, war, no? Inflation, no? Just a repeat cycle lang naman, no? Anyway, some stocks na to watch out, no? There might be some outflow, especially with the rebalancing, no? Let's monitor this, no? Nickel is now trading at 52-week low, no? Pag nabutas yan, 5 pesos, it might do a crash landing. Probably will buy pag nahulog siya or eventually matanggal sa index, no? If not this February, no? So NGCP, of course, Marlica is looking to invest in NGCP, and of course, na-realize ng tao, SGP is the holding company that owns NGCP, no? So It's just correcting some ano rin. The problem with SGP is just these foreigners si Salisbury, no? Ilang months na to nagbebenta, tagal na to, no? Of course, it's a foreign tagging, no? Speaking of foreign tagging, ano ba ibig sabihin pag foreign buying ang isang stock? It means any nationality outside Filipino, they are the one buying. So people are obsessed pag net foreign buying. O aakyat na daw yan. Hindi naman ganun yung ibig sabihin. May bumili na hindi Pilipino. Yun lang yun. Stop being obsessed with net foreign buying. No? Kung bullish ang isang stock because net foreign buying, umakyat na yan. And same thoughts with diba? Before, good example dyan last year, MPI at 350. We're the only one buying it there. Foreigners were dumping MPI 350. Tayo were loading up. When I said loading up, I'm not just looking at around 10% of my portfolio. It looks like at some point, I went 90% MPI that time. It's a screaming buy even before the tender offer announcement. And look what happened to MPI. It was delisted. And yun, no? And hindi naman tayo madamot sa ideas natin. We were able to document that trade in this YouTube channel. Shinare natin yan. And that's very transparent in that trade, no? Foreign selling yun. Oh, what happened there? Tayo sumasalo, locals. It should be the local who should know the stock more, no? So stop being obsessed with foreign buying, no? It's good that these foreigners are buying, but let's also monitor. Dapat umaakyat na yung stock if these foreigners are really bullish on the stock, no? So anyway, our passcode for today is NGCP. No, again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.